Hi friends, welcome to one more video from Urban Trader. What is mutual fund and how it works? Let's understand today. Let's get started. Let's look at how the retail bank makes money. They have a depositors who deposits money in their FD or saving account at a percentage of 6% or less, and they will lend this money to external, people or customers where they end up paying 10%. The difference of this is basically roughly about 4 to 5% they'll have. Out of this, they will have roughly about 2 to 3% as their cost of operations, and the remaining 1-2% is basically their uh, profit margin where they get out of this running their business. And when we look at the same in terms of stock market, what they saw was there are a lot of people in the stock market who are buying and selling shares, and they're mutually buying and selling this. And this is the opportunity which retail bank saw, and they said, why don't we create a separate, division or investment bank which caters to these particular customers to help them invest. The reason being, some of us, we have a full-time job where we are doctors, lawyers, or we might be running a small business, or we are in working in some other companies where we have cash which is coming in, but we don't have a time to invest and manage. So what investment bank help us is they will channelize this cash through the investment banks, where they create a demat account for us where they can deposit the cash and get the holding, and investment banks will generally buy and sell on behalf of us, and they give a certificate for us in terms of what they have bought and sold. And through this model they'll be able to get a commission of 1 to 2%, which is their profit margin, and they also help us to invest and manage the money with the stock market, and we can focus on our job, or the regular income whatever we have. So this is basically how investment bank helps us to participate in the stock market. So investment bank basically has multiple divisions in that. So one of them is it's called as asset management company, it's AMC. So they have something called as an PMS, portfolio management service, which is basically for high net worth people, which is the ticket size is generally 50 lakhs and above. It's a concentrated portfolio for a specific people, which they manage it for the specific clients. The mutual fund is another division of AMC where they manage for the retail customers. So I talk about mutual funds more in detail in the next slides. And security company is basically a broker firm, part of the investment bank itself, where they provide technology platforms for retail customers to buy and sell stocks directly in the platform. So that's how they make a commission out of the brokerage what they get. And if you look at the overall companies or the platforms involved, we have a regulator SEBI, and we have exchanges BSE and NSE, and NSDL and CSDL are clearing house. In the stock market, the shares get traded electronically, and we have financial institutions which are basically provide a demat and trading account, and they help us to invest through them. And one of the products are mutual fund, and these are the multiple companies which they operate, or which operate in the space where they provide this facility for us. And overall, if you look at what is a mutual fund at a high level, is they basically identify investors from the market, and they see that they can pool the money from each of these individuals, and they make a pool of this money, and the money is managed by a fund manager who is responsible to manage these investors money. And since the money, when it get pooled, it's a large in size, they can actually buy a large chunk of securities, and then they get invested on behalf of the individual customers, and then they generate a return or sometimes loss also, and these returns also pass back to the investors. So in the entire cycle, what happens is, because the investors can pay fees to the fund manager or the fund house, and fund manager is generally be someone who knows or who understands the market and underlying securities and their performances, so they can invest on behalf of the investors and get a commission out of it. And in the process, investors also makes money because they can focus on their job or whatever their full-time job they play, and their money is get invested, and there's a possibility that they'll be able to make a return on their investments. So this is the way mutual fund help us to make money while we work at our primary jobs. These are the main key points, I would say, when we look at mutual funds, which we need to consider particularly. So I think there are multiple factors which we need to consider. Maybe the way we could group them is like this, into different categories. Maybe I'll cover each of this in the next slides to talk about. Let's look at an example of a mutual fund just to see that how it looks. This is in Motilal Oswal Multicap 35 Fund. It's a regular plan. So you could see, it's NAV here and percentage change. And then fund house, the return, the benchmark, and what is his expense ratio, and what is his exit low, and how it's benchmarked against the indices. And then if you come down, it talks about its concentration, where it's been, how much it's been invested. And this is the fund holding, so it will be spread across multiple stocks. So let's go in detail of these particular factors when we're analyzing the mutual fund.